playing this to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of it. Right, here you go. There once was a man named Wario who worked along with friends of his on Wario's own fast food factory. One day, however, the two men went missing and they were never found. Since that day, the factory's been closed too. People think the factory was cursed. Alright then. So you know, I come inside to reopen the factory and set up the again. One of those guys left as a guard during the night. Here we go. Alright. See the bit.
Hello? Are you there? Oh, great. Well, welcome to Wario's, your new summer job. So this place recently got reopened.
This is the first fan game I've played.
You are in fact the first person to work on this location after its reopening. So that's quite an honor, don't you think? Before we begin, you might have heard some rumors or something about something going on here about 7 years ago. Just don't worry about that and don't think about it at all. I'm sure it's just silly rumors of some kind. So you have nothing to worry about. Anyways, your job here is pretty simple. Watch the security cameras around the building to make sure that everything works correctly. This place is pretty old now, and we haven't really got much time yet to fix everything around the building. So the rooms are pretty old and dusty and maybe rotten, and the machines might not work correctly. So that's why we need you to keep an eye on things to make sure that everything looks alright. Also, if it should be necessary, you can also put on the lights in the door to your left and also in the window to your right. You can also close off this door and this window. But please only shut those doors and turn off those lights if absolutely necessary. You only have a limited supply of power for now, so we don't really want to waste much money. So, yeah, good luck. Just keep an eye on things. Check your cameras pretty fast, I guess, to make sure that you don't use too much power. And you shouldn't really have anything more to worry about. You're sitting here until 6 AM and someone will come and take your spot. So, again, good luck, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Oh god, hey Mr. Wario. Ready to come eat my butt? Okay, now both of them are there, Wario and Waluigi. Oh god. Is there anyone else? Anyone else moving? Right, I'm gonna try and play the first 3 nights without dying. If I die on night number 3, if I get there, then I'll stop the video. You know what, let's just play the night 4. Right, how come it's only 1 AM? Feels like I've been playing this for already about 4 minutes. Oh god. Oh god. Waluigi. Oh my god. I'm starting to feel that same paranoia that I got from Five Nights at Freddy's. And plus the phone message was really long. Way longer than I remember from the other friends. So yeah, this is the first family game I'm playing. The only other one I really want to play is Five Nights at Chuck E. Cheese, so I might play that game after this one. Oh god, he's right with me almost. He's almost in the room. Oh, absolutely not. Oh, absolutely not. I will have none of your shenanigans. Oh, hi, Waluigi. No, I will have none of your shenanigans. I will have none of it. No shenanigans. Thank you. Oh, God. Okay, Wario's out there. Okay, Waluigi's back there where he was. Waluigi's back where he was before. Which is good. Okay, he's gone. Where did he go? Okay, he's back in the storage room. Okay. I only have 110%. I know you guys can't see it, but because it's behind my head, I'm sorry. I didn't know where the power thingamabob was gonna be. So, hi. Oh my God, I'm really scared. I'm just so paranoid right now. I'm just so paranoid right now. Do you remember my paranoia from Five Nights at Freddy's 2? I'm starting to feel that same paranoia. Oh my God. I'll play this. Alright, you guys wanna come eat me or something? Oh God. Ugh, God. Alright, no one anywhere, just here. Alright, we're at 5 AM. That's actually really awesome. Just keep on playing the way I am right now. Alright, if you could just get to 6 AM, that would be the best thing ever. There we go, night run complete. 5 AM turns to 6 AM. Alright, here we are at the second night. Oh God. I'll try to beat this night as well. I'll also try to beat night 3 if we beat this night. Right, 200% power I have right now. I know you guys can see it, but I can tell you the amount of power that I'm at sometimes.
Hello? There, I told you it wouldn't be a problem. You didn't happen to see anything unusual during the night, did you? Like, a machine not working or something? Probably not. Anyways, you did a good job. All machines were working during the day, so just keep it up. About that rumor I mentioned yesterday, the thing is...
They're true, aren't they?
Or you know what, just never mind, forget about that.
Okay.
Just keep doing what you're doing. I should probably mention though, not to scare you or anything, but it is a little fact that maybe you should know about. As you might know, the factory closed down 7 years ago, and you probably know that Wario and the rest of the gang who was here, well, they were never found, so we don't really know what happened to them.
No!
But anyways, that's not the point. So 6 years ago, 1 year after the factory got closed down,
Everyone died! The
a
end!
woman passing by the abandoned factory, she claimed to see Wario in the window, only different. And the same thing happened to a man last year. So we don't really know what they meant by that. Do you know anything about this? Well, during these 7 years, it has only happened twice, so they were probably just something they imagined. So yeah, check those cameras, see if everything is working correctly, and only use the doors and lights in case you feel like. So keep up the good work, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Alright, so this game has actually managed to get my Mario's. This game has actually managed to get my phrase paranoia back. So this is pretty scary. Alright, so would you guys like to scare the living daylights out of me, then my paranoia would stop, even though I would have a heart attack and die? Oh god, there's Luigi, oh god. Oh my god, I'm actually really scared. I'm actually really worried about this game now. Oh, I'm worried about even surviving the early nights. Like night 2, for example. Only 1 AM? Are you joking? How's it only 1 AM? I feel like I've been playing this for 10 hours worth. Like that gets my paranoia. Okay, Wario's outside my door. Hold on, does that mean I need to close it now? I don't know. I feel like I should not do that though, because it might drain my battery so much that I'm gonna die. Oh god, he might be here. He might be here. Okay, he's not here. He's probably right back to no. Oh god! Oh my god, there's Luigi. Oh my god. I could have died there. Luckily, I kept that light on. What? Just stop it. Are you still there? You're still there. When am I supposed to know when they're gone? God. Yes! Stop it. Close it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't like this. I really don't like this. I really don't like this. I really don't like this. Wait, you're gone already? Okay. I don't like this. I really don't. I want to scream. You're gonna have to deal with it. Oh my god, it's only 3 AM! How is it only 3 AM? It feels like I'm already on to the 3rd night. Okay, it's only 4 AM. 90% left. Oh my god, I don't like this. really don't like this. I'm gonna be acting like this for the whole time because of the game. No, no, no. Turn the lights off. Jeez. Now we're only down to 62%. Wait, well it's 5 AM. I'm gonna win. I'm probably gonna win. I could probably just close all the doors and win, but that'd be kind of cheating. Like 56%. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. God. Oh, easy. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're the creepiest so far. Oh my god. I think the creepiest out of them so far would probably be Luigi. Come on. Yeah! Back to the game on night 3.
Hello. Well, look at that. Your third night. You've done a good job. You managed to save the power, great, so just keep up the good work you've done. There is something that I maybe should mention. The stories around the things that happened 7 years ago.
They're true, aren't they?
Well, they are in fact, true.
Do it.
Well, nobody knows really what happened.
Ah!
But what we know is that on a Monday about 7 years ago,
Wario
and Waluigi went to work. And as you probably have heard somewhere, they went missing, they never came back from work, and they never came out of the factory. And later the same night, Mario and Luigi, they went into the factory to look for them. But the thing is, they never came out either. And people have also mentioned that Mario's girlfriend or some sort, Peach or something, I don't know if that's the correct name, she went in to look for Mario when he went missing.
Obviously.
And apparently she was never found either.
Big surprise
and
there!
After Peach disappeared, someone came up with a rumor of the factory being cursed or something, and they decided to close it off. We have not really any clue on what really happened, though some witnesses have said that early in the morning on that same day, an unknown person went into the factory, and yeah, nobody really knew who that person was or anything. And the weird thing is, he never came out either. We also had a Wario costume in the back room. You know, for mascot purposes.
And
the weird thing, that costume actually disappeared on that same day.
Big surprise
so
there.
We don't really know where it is. So yeah, the factory has a bit of a dark backstory, I guess. But it looks to have a bright future. By the way, have you been doing something to the machine in the machinery room?
No.
We came to work earlier today and the machine was turned off. And as far as we know, these machines are protected with a code of some sort that really only the employees or previous employees know about. You haven't touched that or something, have you? Oh well, it's back on again now. So just hang in there, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.
Alright, so I'm actually gonna try to beat the third night and see what awaits us in this nightmare of this world. Oh my god. Just when it goes from 12 a.m. to 1 a.m., it's so slow. Really, I'd like to know why. Because this is a mystery that needs to be solved. Not really. That's just a phrase from Markiplier that I wanted to just say. I should really be checking these cams, but really I'm too afraid to because I feel like as soon as I put it down, someone's just gonna be right in front of me. Like even though they get in my office, like, get the lights off. Well, I thought it jumping from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. was really quick. This feels like 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. Okay, finally 2 a.m. Alright, come on. Come on, get to 3 a.m. Come on, get to 3 a.m. It's gonna be a long night till 2 a.m. for you guys. Okay, it's now 3 a.m. Close the door. Done, right? Yep, there we go. Oh, you're back to the door already. Jeez. You really need to be at the door, ready to come and kill me. Stop it! Gone yet? Okay, you're gone. Okay, sweet. Alright, it's 4 a.m. I would love for it to get to 5 a.m. Oh, God. How are you back already? You literally, okay, 93%, 5 a.m. Oh my god. You know, I can actually make it, even with that door shut, so you stay there all you want, Wario, in fact. You know what, let's just close this other door for fun. Let's just shut the window for fun. It's Peach! Peach! Oh my god. Oh my god. It's Peach. You see that? It's Princess Peach and Luigi. Oh my god. Just look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank god I did that. Oh my god. Thank god I made it through the night. Okay. This is the end of this video. No way am I gonna do night 4 with all this paranoia. I'm just gonna wait for my paranoia rate to drop. Then I'm gonna touch this game again. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help out a lot. And I'll see you in the next gameplay video. See ya! Alright.